So how many deals have you done since you became a real estate investor?
I think we're at about 25 to 30 deals.
So now that you have achieved all this success, what is next on your agenda?
Yeah, so for me, what's next is to continue to build our company.
Any final words on our interview? Would you like to say anything else?
Yeah, I mean, I just really want to encourage anybody that's out there that is thinking about, this vehicle as something that can provide an income for them, that it's totally possible.
And who would you like to thank you for you to be here today?
Oh, of course, Phil and Shanoa, for sure. I'd like to thank you as well for reaching out. Really, I mean, I just was pleasantly surprised by the phone call. I love this network. I love what people are doing within this network and how we're all, helping each other out. And that, I think that's the strongest thing that can come out of a community, is just how well people can work together. We might not always agree on every single thing or every single facet, but we're learning from each other.
Who else would you like to say thank you?
Yeah, so I definitely want to thank, my family for providing, the support all these years. They've always been behind me. My wife, my children have always been supportive, have always pushed me to be better. They have always pushed me to do, what I've set out to do.
How many of your family members are working with you in the real estate?
Yeah, so right now my wife is my partner. She's done, a few little things, administrative tasks like that for us in the business. And I do have my youngest son working in the business as well as my dispositions manager. And, occasionally he does cold calling as well. So he's getting a taste of this real estate world.
How does that feel as a father to be able to work together with their son?
It's great. I mean, it's such an awesome feeling to be able to know that as you're learning and you're growing, now you're bringing along your son to see what it is that you see.
I think this is every parent's dream, to bring their kids for the ride and work together and getting to know each other in the real world.
Yeah. And, you go through these phases, right, as a parent, when you're raising your children, you go through these phases of, the baby phase and, the child phase and teenager phases, right? And then you get into the adult phase and it becomes a completely different relationship, because now you're having conversations at an adult level, right? You're having, they're your kids still, but you're not going to talk to them the same way.
Thank you so much for taking the opportunity to come in and share your journey as a real estate investor. I can't wait to see you keep growing, and I'd love to interview your son next. So this is awesome.
Thank you very much for having me, Olivia.
So thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.